Today I'm sharing a fun and easy foundation paper piecing tutorial where you'll learn how to make this cute pillow top. Hey there, it's Nadra from Alice & Higgs. On my channel I'm sharing tips, tricks and how-tos that will help you on your journey to making quilts. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out all the links in the description box below. I have to be totally honest with you. Foundation paper piecing is not my favorite quilting technique. I just prefer projects where there's no guesswork involved. What I do like about this technique is the accuracy you can achieve, and I actually enjoy the process as long as the pattern is not too fiddly. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to do foundation paper piecing using a very simple pattern. If you've never foundation paper pieced before, then you might like to give today's tutorial a try. Download the templates on my blog at aliceandhiggs.com. You'll find the link in the description box below. And now let's jump right into it. there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm working on a super fun project which I can't wait to share with you soon. Also, if you want exclusive content that I only share with subscribers, head over to AlisonHiggs.com and sign up for my newsletter. It's free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.